Stripping down the K-member today for the car. Ordered a BMR tubular K-member for it. I think it saves about 20 pounds. Stripping it down, we're going to take the power steering rack off. He's dead for the night. So we did get all the hubs off, springs up, the struts off, the whatever you call it, skid plate frame, and sway bar and radiator mount. And then BMR K-member comes in tomorrow. Get that all swapped over. Probably gonna need new tie rod ends and sway bar links if I keep it. Tie rod ends got quite a bit of play in them. Not a bunch, but probably more than needed. So once the new one comes in and get it all swapped over, get it put back in the car, we're gonna start building the turbo kit. After I get all the engine bay shave done, start building turbo kit soon. Hopefully, right? Because there's always hope. One second, let me do something. Hopefully, the start goal. I don't know if I'm gonna read this right or not.